Hey everyone, welcome back to Advent Rising, and where I, Nick, play a game, try to learn from it a little bit, and have a little fun while we do so. I'm just adjusting my audio here a little bit. So just as a quick heads up, apparently today is a day for, for building and construction in my nearby neighborhood. So there's a very good chance that you might hear some machinery going on. I'm recording this on a Sunday, so I didn't think there would be anything major going on, but apparently there is. So yeah, I may, depending on what's going on, I may mute my mic partway through until it stops. You'll still be able to hear the game audio, but I'll probably mute myself for a bit and then hop back in once that is done, because it's probably going to be really annoying to hear like a grinding sound, and obviously, whatever work needs to get done needs to get done, but it's not great for a playthrough. So just a quick heads up before we jump into it. Any event, last we left off, I want to say, I'm going to lower the game volume just a little bit, because it is coming in just a smidge loud. There we go. I think that's going to do it. Okay, so last I left off, we had just reached the jungle area, which I guess some of their base was built into this sort of mountain area, which was kind of interesting, but I seem to recall the jungle area as being especially difficult. So yeah, wish me luck. Oh, why? Oh, I keep forgetting what's my health. Oh, let's get Surge up here, though. No! Oh, Advent Rising, you never cease to... Oh, where did... I should really stop being surprised. I really need to stop... No, don't you dare. No, stop it. Okay, we're taking cover. I really need to stop being surprised, like, all the silly stuff and shenanigans that go on in this game. Yeah, get him, my friend. Get him. What? Oh, you're still here. Oh, that's not Surge. Oh, we're out of juju. Stop it. Okay. I mean, one thing that is good about all this craziness is that they do try and like make the missiles very brightly colored, so it's easier for you to spot them. Which, I'll give that to the game. I can imagine. There we go. Okay, whoa, okay. Jeez Louise, this is getting out of hand here. Oh my. See what I was talking about? I mean, at least I have backup, so that's something. Oh. And, oh no, my backup's still alive. That's good. Oh. Seriously, would it have killed them to... I have already talked about this at length, but would it have killed them to have, make the power barb larger or regenerate a little bit quicker? Would have been nice. I mean, again, I've harped about this before, but, a sense of progression is felt throughout the game, but it's only tied to your abilities, not to your health or the amount of stuff that you do. Or rather, the amount of health and amount of power-ups that you can get. So, I'm trying to also pay attention to my audio here and make sure it's not spiking out like crazy. I think I am going to just tweak it down just a little bit more. The audio levels are really weird in this game. Okay, there we go. Let's get this up. Actually, why am I even bothering with them? We have this thing called lift. Oh, assuming that... Listen, you. Take a hike. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't want it. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm secretly... Well, not so secret, but I am treading this level. I'm hoping I just don't just die a bunch of times, because I seem to recall that this was, like, the major area where, you know... We're just gonna... Just... Yeah... I seem to recall this was the area where, like, all... Also, what's up with the camera? It keeps wanting to turn in a really weird way. Alright, we're gonna do... We need some cover here. Oh, I can do 4 shields now? Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Oh, I guess I just 4... Oh, sorry. I was looking at lift. Okay, cool. So we'll do that. We'll just... Oh, wait. Nope. Sorry. We'll just blast him a whole bunch. Oh, nope. Well, maybe we'll get rid of these guys first. Cool. No, no, no. Just get out of here. Whoa, 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 is that a grenade? What is that particle? Why is there a particle effect right there? Was that from my lift? Is that what that was? Oh, I can't lift you. You're too much. You're too big. All right. Well, have some ice. You need to. What was the line from Arnold Schwarzenegger? You need to chill out. When he's Mr. Freeze. That. Oh man, I think I saw that in theaters. I think I was like 5 or something. I can't remember. Oh, it was so long ago. I gotta look when that game came out. Or, not game, but movie, right? See, what was with those particle effects? I thought that was a grenade for something. Like, okay, so... I guess that's another lesson we can kind of learn from this. Like, if you're going to put in extra, like, items for your game... Ooh, that's a ravine. Yes, sir. You know, make sure that they are clear about what they are. Like, you don't want... Obviously, like I just saw here, I don't want to mistake a grenade for a particle effect, or rather vice versa. Yeah, switch those two around. Sorry, I'm still messing with the audio here because it dips super high and then it goes super low, and I want to make sure you can hear some of the ambient music, but I don't want it to drown me out either. So it's a bit of a balance here. Just gonna move that down just a smidge, not far. There we go. Okay. Alright, Gideon, what are we doing? What's the play? Okay, what was I doing? No, do not exit. For the love of everything good and holy, do not exit. Oh. What happened to my shield? Okay, this is some tomfoolery here. I'm confused about how that worked. Anyway, have some ice. And I'm gonna die again, probably. Oh, great. Huh. Odd. Oh, I suppose we have double shield here. Have some ice. What was I talking about before I had to go do that? Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's a grenade. What was I saying? Yes. Oh, no. Oh, am I stuck? Oh, another grenade. What? No. I mean, that was kind of cool. Let's see here. Sorry, just checking someone else real quick. Cool, continue on. Oh, can I get in one of those things again? What was I talking about? I want to say, also, where's my backup? Like, where are my guys? What happened to the squad? I think I was talking about... Oh my god, yes! Destroy all the things. Also, I don't know what's up there. I probably can't get up there. That's okay. I think I was talking about Batman. Oh, hi. That's a very awkward spot for an enemy. Well, yeah, well, what Batman movie was that? It was like, so we had Batman Begins is the new one, the newer one with, what's his face, Rachel. So many memes. Batman Begins is with, what is the actor? I'm so bad at remember actors and actresses' names. Christian Bale, I think it is. So there's that one. Oh yeah, the music is really loud over here. Oh, hi guys. We're just gonna dip that down just a smidge more. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Pew! So there was Batman and Robin, which was, I think, was with the make your way across Volcano Valley. Why do we have why? What? Oh, see now. Oh, you get out of here. Get out of here. In fact, if I'm smart, I'm actually going to go back in. I'm going to get the new... I'm going to go back in and get the unhurt or undamaged version of this. Also, while crashing into the wall. That's okay. So we have a little bit... Cause chances are I'm not going to be able to circle back around. Alright, so here we go. Okay. Oh, we're out in the open. I don't like it. Oh, I gotta take care of you. I will say I do like the effects they're putting out. That is pretty cool. What is hitting me, though? No one's firing at me. I don't know what that ting-ting sound is for. Hi. Oh. Cool. Okay. Yeah, Batman and Robin was with the Joker. There was one with Penguin and what's her face? I know we're not talking about games at all, but I have got to follow up on this line of thinking here. There was the Penguin and the Joker. And then there was Mr. Freeze and Poison Ivy. That's the one that I quoted earlier with the "Good chill out." But I can't remember the name of the movie. I'm gonna have to look that up later. Oop. Little. Oh, well, it's not my vehicle, so. What? What? Oh, that's so cheap. And how? Do you guys just leap over the... Yeah, you're literally leaping over the walls. Great. Is he getting... Hold on. So first off, is Gideon pointing his gun out of the... You can see it, like, right at the top. Why is... Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Like... Can you even... Yeah, you can't even, like, get your gun. So why is that even added? Like, is he turning a wheel and holding the gun? You can kind of see that at the tippy top there. That's just weird. Alright, I don't think... Whoa, oh, okay. Doesn't like that at all. Okay. Alright, epic music is dying down. Should not be as loud, but it looks like we're going for another cutscene. I wonder how much more of this game we've got. Ah, yes, the evil seekers. But we were talking about the grenade and particle effects before. Very important to make sure that whatever you design in the game does not overlap or is easily communicatable. I don't know if that's the right word, but it tells the right thing of what's going on. And that particle effect, the way it moved on screen and it's similar color to the secret grenade. Granted that it was not quite as saturated. Was a little surprising, to say the least. Okay, so, saving progress. Okay, I seem to recall that jungle thing being a lot tougher for some reason. Hi. Oh, no, I meant to punch him. It's the B button, isn't it? Oh, come on now. Nice. Yeah, there's some of the drilling you can hear in the background. Shouldn't be too bad, though, I'm hoping. Okay. No. You know, we're going to get Surge up because we're getting in some tight corridors here. And if it's anything this game has taught me, tight corridors is a no-no. Checkpoint. Oh, alright. You know what? We're gonna go to Surge. I'm probably not gonna use the guns as much. And we're gonna use this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Again, I ask why. You know, and that's something that is kind of important to talk about in terms of, like, not just games, but this also applies to movies, right? You know, if you're going to do something, it needs to make sense. Like, why did this break? Was the enemy expecting me? Did, you know, I blow something up? I certainly didn't hit anything, at least I don't think so. So why did this break? Did he do something? I mean, there was nothing to indicate why this broke. Really the only reason it's there, as far as I can tell, it doesn't add anything to the game itself, is just to make it more exciting. But it doesn't really do that. It just kind of makes it a little like, okay, you're putting obstacles in my way now. And it's not even really an obstacle, because I can just climb up here, and I hit a checkpoint. So I don't know, that was kind of weird. I don't know, it just felt a little lackluster. Okay, good, the audio is still going through, fine. Also, I will say, I do kind of like this coral plant. It definitely looks like a coral plant. Again, the guys, like, they absolutely nailed the, you know, the world building for this game. No two ways about it. It's just some really odd design choices. That's not what I wanted. I wanted, well, we can give this one a shot. It's not as good as the Explodey, though. Take the shatter back. Oh, hi. Oh, sorry. I wanted that. You know what? You don't punch dude in the face. I mean, unless he's being really rude about it, but still. You don't do that to me. I'm the protagonist. Oh man, we're getting some frame drops too. How are we doing on powers, by the way? Unlock sphere, place 4 shields, and sustain. Oh, right, I forgot I have the shield thingy. It doesn't really help, though, because I have to hold that. What Surge, I think, is max level, so we're good there. What's Shatter up to? Next level, 80%. Max damage and radius. Yeah, we gotta keep using that, because this is very useful. Okay, we're gonna activate, and we're gonna... I'll use shield for right now. Why? Hello? Okay, checkpoint. Good. I'm... Huh. I'm assuming this is supposed to go down. Why you no go down?